listen to your heartbeat. I'm waking to the sound. We got second chances to make the most of it. I can see that our new love was an open door. You and I taking off this time. I wanna go back, but love was an open door. Oh, you know we're stronger.
Make some noise extra loud for our birthday girl, Caitlin!
Caitlin, you are the most genuine and caring person I have ever met. You always have my back, and I'm always gonna have yours. Enjoy your special day. I love you and happy birthday.
We were wild, 'cause we've been down this road. We carried heavy stones. Oh, and I remember our new love was an open door. You and I taking off this time. I wanna go back, but love was an open door. Oh, you know we're stronger than before. And I can remember our new love was an open door. Our love is an open door. You and I taking off this time.
You'll do great things, Caitlin, because I just know that you're determined and I know you got this. So I love you and thank you so much.
You're amazing. Your ambition, your artistic talents, sense of humor, and care for others will always be admired, and I'm so grateful. I'm happy we will continue to annoy each other because you're kind of stuck with me. I love you and have a great birthday night.
I wanna go back, but love.
Happy birthday, Caitlin! Happy birthday, Caitlin!
Oh, I remember love is an open door.
In the family, I want you to be generous for everybody, for your friends and colleagues, and be kind, okay? You've always been very proud. We've always been very proud that we were a smart and intelligent child. But I want you to be very generous to everybody, okay? I love you, and with all your kuyas, okay? And Bachang too. Love you.
Argue a lot, but we're stuck together no matter what because you're like my god sister. And you're very nice, sweet, and I love you so much.
My wish for you is may you have the strength to follow your dreams. You can do it, Caitlin. You know, God is with you. God bless you today and always.
My life, I love her very, very much. Then now, I never think already 18 years old, like dreaming. Then Katie, really, I love you very much. Ne? Don't cry, I don't like to cry.
We're always proud of you, no matter what you do. Whether you succeed or not, we're always proud of what you do. just try your best all the time, okay? And just remember everything that I, advise you. And, hopefully, this will be a memorable day for you.
We go hard in the pain, 'cause that's all we know, yeah. This is